Do you have geese staying on your property without paying rent? Well, it's time to evict them. Each spring, hundreds of properties throughout southern Wisconsin experience damaged turf, goose droppings, and even aggressive behavior from nesting geese. That's where migratory bird management comes in. Since 2002, we have used our trained border collies to chase geese off of your property and nest management services to reduce the goose population on commercial properties. Our custom programs work to create clean and safe environments for your tenants, employees, and customers. Visit us today at www.mbmbird.com to learn more.